Hello folks, hope everybody is fine. Today I'm gonna show what's inside this radio. So this was an old technology that people used to find the AM and PM tuning and the frequencies, AM, PM frequencies to know what was happening in their area. So I've teared it open and let's see what's inside. Let me show you what looks inside. Look folks, this is what looks inside a radio that usually uses AM or PM modulation to get the signals and to pass it on and for the viewers to listen to them. So not that much things inside, but let's explore what's this. So basically a transformer that we see each and every day, another transformer, capacitors, resistors, transistors, and modulation, so which basically makes the thing go up and down, and this thing. So that's the on and off button, just connected with the uh, sockets here which are connected with the board, and that is connected with this. That's the headphone jack, and uh, a powerful speaker which when the signals were catched with this radio that were output through this speaker here. So that's what looks inside a traditional radio. Here we have the power that used a big battery to power up the thing, and this thing here made up of copper, basically a thing to catch the signals of the, you can say, the antenna that was like this. So this is what looks inside a traditional radio, folks. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Everywhere's nice. Thank you all.